Our theme this year is rooted in service. And when I first sat with the word rooted, I kept picturing a tree. Puno. Not the branches, not the leaves. Nakitang-kita natin lahat. Pero yung kanyang ugat, the roots, the part na hindi nakikita. Pero ito po ang pinakamahalagang parte. The part underground, quietly doing the work that keeps everything else standing. And here's the thing about roots. A tree cannot survive, cannot feed its branches, cannot grow its trees, cannot give shade to anyone if the roots are dry. Tama po ba? So let me ask you something honestly. As lions, we are so good at giving. Tama po ba? Kaya nga po, di ba ang motto natin, we serve. In other words, we give. We show off. We serve. We give our time, our pockets, our weekends, and our hearts. Hindi ba puminsan mas malaki pa sa kaya natin? Because we just want to serve. And that is beautiful. And that's exactly who we are. But can I be real with you for a second, my fellow lions? How can you pour into others if your own cup is empty? This is a common saying nowadays, lalong-lalo na ginagamit ng mga Gen Z. But this hits. Again, how can you pour into others if your own cup is empty? How can you give love, care, and value to your community, to your family, to your club, to the people you serve, kung hindi mo rin mabigyan ang iyong sarili? Tama po ba? And that is not selfish. That's not against our lion values. That is our lion values because you cannot be rooted in service to others if you are not first rooted in caring for yourself. Tama po ba? May kasabihan, paano ka magmamahal ng iba kung hindi mo minamahal ang sarili mo? Paano mo aalagaan ng iba kung mismong sarili mo hindi mo maalagaan? How can you be true to others if sa sarili mo hindi ka totoo? This year, I'm not just asking you to serve harder. I'm asking you to serve rooted, grounded, whole, taken care of. Rest when you need to rest. Say no when you need to say no. Fill your own cup first. Hindi para sa sarili lang, but so that when you do give, you give from abundance, not from an empty tank. Because ang taong walang tubig sa ugat, hindi makakapagbigay ng lilim. Tama po ba? Kung minamahal mo talaga ang serbisyo, kung minamahal mo ang pagpulong, ang pagbigay, ang pag-grow, tandaan nyo, kayo po ang puno. Tayo mismo ang tinutukoy na puno. So sabihin mo sa akin, paano mo aalagaan ang puno? Paano mo aalagaan ang sarili mo? Kung ikaw mismo, hindi mo inaalagaan ang sarili mo, paano ba ang iba? Ganon din tayo bilang mga layon. Bago tayo mag-alaga ng iba, alagaan din natin ang ating sarili, ang ating sariling ugat. Now let's talk about something else this year. Titles and targets. We will not chase titles. We will not measure ourselves by the chair we sit on or the position on the tarpaulin. Because being a human person is also being a lion. And being a lion means holding on to value and integrity. Hindi lang sa papel, kundi sa puso. We will not focus on our targets just to look good on report. We will let our values lead the way. Tayo, we want something mas totoo, mas natural. Hindi forma, hindi pa cute sa numbers. Progreso ng totoo galing sa tapat ng paggagawa. Because at the end of the day, our strong foundation is not our quota. Our strong foundation are our character, our roots, our values, our integrity, our care for one another, and for ourselves. Now I know some of you are already worried. Does this mean less projects this year? Hindi po. We are still lions. We are still going to move mountains, feed communities, and probably still talk about our district plans, club plans, at the wee hours of the morning. Wala pong pahinga ang serbisyo natin. Pero merong pahinga para sa Lions na nagseserbisyo. So this year, my hope for each of you is simple. Take care of yourself the way you take care of everyone else. Serve from a full heart, not a tired one. Stay rooted in purpose, in each other, and in yourself. Ask yourself honestly, why did I join Lions? What is the purpose of me joining Lions? If your purpose is to serve others, then let that be your compass and hold on to it. But if your purpose is to enrich yourself in the name of Lionism, then it's time to rethink why you are here. When our roots are strong, kaya natin tumindig sa kalamidad, sa hamon, sa matagal na meetings na dapat kanina pa nakapos. And when our roots are strong, ang bunga ng ating serbisyo nararamdaman ng buong distrito at komunidad. Speaking of blessings, alam niyo lang po, I don't know if you all know, I am into feng shui. Okay? As you can see my bracelets. Speaking of blessings, you will notice we're giving out shirts. Tama po ba? Nakatanggap na po ba kayo lahat ng shirts? Yes. Yung white? Yes. Ano ba yung symbol sa likod? Or yung sa pin? It's the Maneki Neko. It is the lucky cat. Baka inisip nyo, bakit pusa, hindi na yun? At least nasa family pa rin po. Okay? Because I am sharing you my blessings. And I hope you will share your blessings to our communities, to our club, and to every other person. The Maneki Neko has been a symbol of good fortune for generations. Its race po isn't just waving. Sorry po, dapat nag-wave yan. Kaso, mahirap po gawin. It is said to be inviting love, inviting prosperity, inviting blessings to come in your way. Pero here's the part I love. Sa tradition, hindi ito hinihintay lang ang swerte. Ini-invite nyo dapat. You should be active inviting. Sabi nga ng master ko sa feng shui, you should manifest it. Parang tayo, hindi tayo naghihintay na dumating ang biyaya sa atin. Dapat natin kiniklaim sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng serbisyo at pagtitiwala sa isa't isa. So, please, when you wear that shirt this year, alalahanin ninyo, hindi lang ito pang uniform. It's a small blessing extending to each one of you for good luck, good health, prosperity. Hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para rin maipasa nyo sa mga taong inyong pinagsisilbihan at sa mga inyong kasama sa club. At lalong-lalo na sa inyong mga pamilya. Kasi tulad ng ugat na nagbibigay buhay sa puno, ang swerte at biyaya kapag ibinahagi din doon lumalang. So today, as we kick off this 9 year, let's grow tall, but let's remember to grow deep first. Mahal ko kayo, alagaan ko kayo, dahil mahalaga kayo. Maraming salamat.